Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE V20 and I'll show you how to animate ringtone volume on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and tap on the sound section. Then you'll see here the ring and notification volume panel, and just to animate your device ringtone you should swipe this white dot to the right side with your finger. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first here in volume button control function, be sure that you have selected here the ringtone volume, not media, and after that just by press up volume button on the right side of your device you can also see that we just successfully unmute our device ringtone. And we can do it by the third way. Just one moment. Okay, we can just do it with our finger, just by swipe to the up this volume panel with our finger, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.